In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple, affordable herringbone table. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is measure and find out the size of the tabletop that you're needing to build. Next, you'll need to rip down your sheet of plywood to size. In my case, I'm using 1/2 inch OSB. Once you've got your base piece set on the table, you'll need to go cut your slats. These can be whatever length that you want them to be. My tabletop happens to be 32 inches, so in my case I'm going to cut them down to 16, just so I can have a nice even look once they're staggered on the tabletop. Once you have all your pieces cut, you'll need to find the center point of your table and then take a framing square to draw a perfect 45-degree line. This is going to give you your starting point, which is very important. You'll need this first piece to be perfect at 45-degree angle so that all your pieces butt and join up to it and gives you a perfectly straight line down the length of your table. And once your first two pieces are laid, it kind of just rolls from there, just one after the other. You just continue down the length of the table. What's great about this is it looks complicated, but it's really not. There's no mitered cuts, just straight cuts down the entire length of the whole table. And once you finish the center run, you'll just do the outsides. Those pieces will fall right into place. To cut the excess off, I just like to lay down a straight 1x4, held down with a couple of nails, and just run my skill saw along the edge of it on all four sides. Once you finish cutting off your excess, go around, sand the edges, and apply whatever stain or finish that you want your tabletop to be. And finally, I just trim out the edges with a black painted 1x4 just to give it a nice clean finished look. And that's basically it. This table took less than 4 hours to build from start to finish and cost less than $350. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this. And we'll see you on the next one.